In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a template in M files. Now you can do this for existing files and for new files you're creating as well. So let me first show you how to do it for new files. You want to go to top right, plus button to create, and I'm going to create a document. Now from here, what I'm going to do is just go and of course select the class. So for this example, I'm actually going to go to document and I'm going to do a simple Microsoft Word document, and then I'm going to click on next. From here, you want to, of course, give it a name. I'm going to name this one tutorial document like this. And then from here, you want to click on add property. And of course, you want to select from the drop down or just search for is. And then you want to click on is template and you want to check mark this. So of course, it's going to become a template. Now, as you can see here, you can then click on the create button. It's going to create your document and open it up. And in there, you can then create your template. Okay, that's the first way to do this. But of course, if you have a document already, which I do, so if I go to, for example, here, I have this kind of test document, I can simply right click on it and then click on properties. And then in here, you want to click on add property and you want to go again is template, check mark this and then click on the save button, and that's going to become a template. Okay, so if you now actually go and try to create a new document, for example, you'll see that that specific one is going to be under template. So if I go to all, there we go. As you can see under all templates, test one is now one of my templates I have, and I can then use this to create a new file from this templated file over here. That's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.